Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio GA-140 with the module 5612. So this tutorial is going to work for a bunch of other Casio G-Shock watches, for example the GA100, the Casio G-Shock Square, so the 5610, and also the Casio Oak, the GA2100. All of these have the same functions and features when it comes to these basic settings. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to see your home city flickering, so flashing, as you can see right here. And now we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. We are going to go past the setting of time and date, and after the date you will be able to see that we have LT3. So I can switch between LT3 and LT1 using the forward button. LT1 stands for 1.5 seconds and LT3 stands for 3 seconds. That is how long your light is going to be on once you activate it. I prefer the 3 seconds, and I'm going to press the adjust button in order to finalize the process. As you can see, if I activate the light, now it is going to be on for 3 seconds. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio GA-140, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, as well as all of the other models in case you want to purchase any of these or you already have one of them. In case you want to see even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys. It really helps the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.